In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Jira, a tool that many people are curious about but aren't quite sure where to begin. If you're just starting out or have never used Jira before, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get you set up in no time. At its core, Jira is a powerful project management tool used widely across various industries to plan, track, and manage work effectively. It's especially popular in software development, but is versatile enough for many types of projects. So whether you're working in IT, marketing, finance, or any other field, Jira can help streamline your workflow and improve team collaboration. Once you've set up your Jira account, the first major step is to create your project. This is where the magic begins, so pay close attention. You'll be prompted to select a template for your project. Jira offers a variety of templates such as Scrum, Product Discovery, and Kanban, among others. Each template is designed to cater to specific project methodologies and needs. For example, if you're working in an Agile environment, the Scrum template might be a great fit, while Kanban could be ideal for more linear workflows. After you've chosen a template that suits your project, go ahead and click on Use Template. You'll then need to decide if your project will be team managed or company managed. The team managed setting is highly customizable and best for projects that require flexibility, whereas the company managed option is more structured, perfect for uniformity across larger organizations. With the setup complete, it's time to add a name to your project. Additionally, you should create a custom key for your project, which is essentially a descriptive prefix. This prefix helps in recognizing work items related to your project, making it easier to track issues and tasks. Don't forget to specify who should have access to your project to ensure the right people have the proper visibility and control. Once all the information is in place, click Create Project. And just like that, you're ready to go. You'll be directed to the default view of your new project, which is typically the board view, although this may vary depending on the chosen template. Now, let's navigate a bit. At the top, you'll notice your project view tabs, such as the Timeline view, Board, Calendar, and List views. Each of these provides a unique way to analyze and engage with your project data, making it easier to manage workflows, assign tasks, and track progress. On the left-hand side, the sidebar is where you'll find intuitive navigation options. This includes viewing other projects, leveraging Jira's built-in features like the dashboard, and integrating third-party apps to expand Jira's capabilities. And there you have it. That's the basic rundown of Jira for complete beginners. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Jira and optimizing your project management skills.